Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm going to show you what to do if your iPhone settings icon is missing. So for that you need to go to your phone settings. Because of the settings is missing, you need to go to settings by Siri. So you need to just call Siri to go to settings. Now after going to your settings, you can just search for in the top search bar. Now just search for reset home screen layout. Just click on this option, reset home screen layout, and after that here you can see there is a reset option. Just click on reset, and after clicking it, here you can see the fourth option is reset home screen layout. Just click on it and click on reset home screen, and after clicking it, your settings icon will be appeared in front of you. So guys, that's how you can fix iPhone settings icon missing. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.